I understand the Western culture, and I understand where the problems are. How come this Islamophobia is growing, and specifically after 9/11? There are two landmark dates from where Islamophobia has grown. One was Salman Rushdie's book in 1989, roughly. And secondly, it was after 9/11. And how did this division, the suspicion take place? After 9/11, the word Islamic terrorism, Islamic radicalism. Now, when these terms started becoming currency and announced by Western leaders, the man in the street does not understand. When you say Islamic radicals, it seems that there's something in the religion that makes people radical. And the man in the street cannot distinguish between a moderate Muslim and a radical Muslim. Terrorism has no religion. In every human society, they're extremists. They are liberals, they're extremists, and bulk of the people are moderates.